So now here's the scenario. The patient has come in for us to make our definitive records to take them to the definitive restoration. And I see this provisional restoration, I say, oh shoot, you know what? I don't like the fact that I have a screw channel right here through this incisal edge, and I don't like that I'm coming through the facial surface here. And gee, if I could bring this just a little bit more to the lingual, I'd get that right into the center of the occlusal table, ideally. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove the prosthesis and then begin my impression procedure without having to change out my abutments. It's amazing. So again, when you remove the prosthesis, you want to just break the tension in those screws. So break that tension, break that tension, break that tension, and lastly, break that tension. Now I'll take this out and just unscrew the prosthetic screw. And lastly, this one here. So now this one was good. I don't have to redirect this one at all. So I just put my impression coping right in there. But these are a little too anteriorly directed. So now I put a really long lever arm on that abutment and a really long lever arm on this abutment. And a really long lever arm on this abutment back here. And with this one, I know that I just wanted to tweak its position just a little bit more lingual. There we go. And this one I wanted to go just a little bit more lingual. And this one I wanted to go just a little bit more lingual. And just like that, I'm ready to make my impression. But now the position doesn't match the position of my provisional restoration. But that's not a problem. I'll make my record, I'll make my impression, do a verification jig, do a master impression, and then, now that the impression is finished, unscrew the impression, and then loosen the orientation screws. Of these abutments that we redirected. And now we can put the prosthesis, the provisional prosthesis, with the incorrect positions. Now we just screw this down to that one. And now I can actually just screw those prosthetic screws down for the time being. Just torque those to 15 Newton centimeters. There's 15 there. There's 15 there. 15 there. And 15 there. And now we just proceed to plug up the screw channels with whatever our preferred material is, whether it's PBS, Teflon and composite, Teflon and a temporary filling material. No big deal. But here we were able to redirect things without changing out the abutments and preserving that very, very special connection of the abutment with the implant platform. We want to not have to touch that ever, just to create as clean a seal around those implants and abutments as possible to preserve bone and soft tissue health.